How to save money on car insurance. Car insurance is a necessary expense for any driver, but it doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we'll show you how to save money on car insurance. First, it's important to understand what car insurance is and how it works. Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company that protects you financially in the event of an accident or theft. In exchange for paying a premium, the insurance company agrees to pay for damages or losses that occur as a result of covered events. There are several types of car insurance coverage, including liability, collision, and comprehensive. Liability insurance is required by law in most states and covers damages or injuries you cause to others in an accident. Collision insurance covers damages to your own vehicle in an accident, while comprehensive insurance covers non-collision events such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. When choosing car insurance, it's important to review your policy carefully and make sure you have the right coverage for your needs. You may be able to save money by adjusting your coverage levels or choosing a higher deductible. It's also a good idea to shop around and compare insurance quotes from multiple companies. Many insurance companies offer discounts for safe driving, multiple policies, or other factors. Finally, don't be afraid to ask your insurance agent about ways to save money on your policy. They may be able to offer discounts or suggest changes to your coverage that can help you save money. By understanding car insurance and taking steps to save money on your policy, you can protect yourself and your vehicle without breaking the bank. How to save money on car insurance. In addition to understanding car insurance and shopping around for the best rates, there are several other ways to save money on your car insurance. One of the most effective ways is to improve your driving habits. Safe driving can help you avoid accidents and keep your insurance rates low. Many insurance companies offer discounts for safe driving, such as no accidents or tickets in a certain period of time. Another way to save money on car insurance is to install safety devices in your vehicle, such as anti-theft devices or airbags. Many insurance companies offer discounts for these types of devices. Driving a fuel-efficient car can also help you save money on car insurance. Many insurance companies offer discounts for hybrid or electric vehicles, as they are considered less risky to insure. Carpooling or using public transportation can also help you save money on car insurance. Many insurance companies offer discounts for low mileage or alternative transportation options. Finally, it's important to review your insurance policy regularly and make sure you're getting all the discounts you are eligible for. You may be able to save money by bundling your policies, such as combining your car and home insurance with the same company. By improving your driving habits, installing safety devices, driving a fuel-efficient car, using alternative transportation, and taking advantage of discounts, you can save money on your car insurance and keep your vehicle protected.